Good morning, students. I hope you all well at home by the God's grace. Today we are going to learn exercise number 1.5 in chapter 1, term 2. Question number 8. Write the following amount using decimals. Subdivision 1, 809 rupees 99 paise. Let us see the answer for the first subdivision. 809 rupees 99 paise. Subdivision 1, 809 rupees 99 paise. We know that hundred paise is equal to 1 rupee. By dividing 100 on both the sides, we get 100 divided by 100 paise, which is equal to 1 divided by 100 rupee. Dividing 100 by 100, we get 1 paise. 1 paise is equal to 1 divided by 100 rupee. Multiply by 99 on both the sides, we get 99 into 1 paise is equal to 99 by 100 rupee. Which implies that 99 paise is equal to 0.99 rupee. Now from the question, 809 rupees 99 paise can be written as 809 rupees plus 99 paise. We know that this 99 paise is equal to 0.99 rupee. In both the terms we have same units, so we can add these two terms. By adding 809 rupees with 0.99 rupees, we get 809.99 rupees, which is the required answer. Question number 9. Express the following in meters using decimals. Subdivision 1, 1328 centimeter. Subdivision 2, 419 centimeter. We know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Dividing by 100 on both the sides, we get 100 divided by 100 centimeter, which is equal to 1 divided by 100 meter. Dividing 100 by 100, we get 1. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Now by multiplying 1328 on both the sides, we get 1328 into 1 centimeter, which is equal to 1328 divided by 100 meter. 1328 centimeter is equal to, dividing 1328 by 100, we get 13.28. We should move the decimal point 2 digits leftward, therefore 13.28. Therefore, 1328 centimeter is equal to 13.28 meter, which is the required answer. Express the following using decimal notation. Subdivision 1, 8 meter 30 centimeter in meters. We know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Dividing by 100 on both the sides, we get 100 divided by 100 centimeter, which is equal to 1 divided by 100 meter. Dividing 100 by 100, we get 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Now by multiplying 30, we get on both the sides, we get 30 into 1 centimeter is equal to 30 divided by 100 meter. 30 centimeter is equal to, dividing 30 by 100, we get 0.30 meter. Hence, 30 centimeter is equal to 0.30 meter. Now by the question, 8 meter 30 centimeter can be written as 8 meter plus 30 centimeter. From the above, we can say that 30 centimeter is equal to 0.30 meter. We can replace this 30 centimeter by 0.30 meter. Here we have in both the terms the same unit. So these terms can be added. By adding these two terms, we get 8.30 meter. Therefore, 8 meter 30 centimeter is equal to 8.30 meter, which is the required answer. Next, question number 11. Write the following fractions as decimal numbers. Subdivision 1, 23 divided by 10,000. Here in denominator we have 4 zeros. So we should move the decimal point 4 digits leftward from its position. But we have only 2 digits on the numerator. So we should add 2 zeros as we need. Now we should move the decimal point 4 digits leftward from there. We get 0.0023. Before the decimal point we have nothing, so we should add 0 in that place. Hence, 23 divided by 10,000 is equal to 0.0023 is the required answer. Next, subdivision 2, 421 divided by 100, which is equal to, dividing 421 by 100. Here in denominator we have 2 zeros, so we should move the decimal point 2 digits leftward. So we should write 4.21 as the answer. Third subdivision, 37 divided by 10. Dividing 37 by 10. Here in denominator we have 1 0. So we should move the decimal point leftward, 1 digit leftward. So we should write 3.7, which is the required answer. Now question number 16. By how much is 9 by 10 kilometer less than 1 kilometer? Express the same in decimal form. To find how much is 9 by 10 kilometer less than 1 kilometer, we should find the difference between 9 by 10 and 1 kilometer. For that we should subtract 9 by 10 from 1. Which implies that 1 minus 9 by 10 kilometer, which is equal to 1 minus 0.9 kilometer, because dividing 9 by 10 we get 0.9. So instead of writing 9 by 10 here, I have written 0.9. Subtracting 0.9 from 1, we get 0.1 kilometer, which is the required difference between 9 by 10 and 1 kilometer. Okay students, this is the time for our assignment. Do the assignment given in your classwork notebook and send the images to the class group. To get the better practice, do the answers for the questions given in your textbook frequently. With this end, we have come to conclude this session. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care.